Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, in this day, I'd like to present as something that was important in my portfolio. There was like just a main point, my big project, my big experience. I would like to present it to you guys in here. Okay, before I start my presentation today, let's we say thanks to our God Allah because Allah give us mercy and blessing because that we can gather and attend in this class with a healthy body and with strongest things. And then so don't forget to we say a salutation to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam because to already bring our religion from darkness to brightness because that we can attain with a healthy body with no problem until this day. Okay, we just directly to my percentage. This is my portfolio, Reza Brenda Putra. This is about me. My name is Reza Brenda Putra. I'm a graduate of a boarding vocational high school with a strong academic focus and technology. That I'm from IDN boarding school. It's from big school in Jonggol, and I like to learn about networking, academic, and security, and peering, and routing, and many things I learned in Indian boarding school. But I am interested in IT-related matters, especially in the field of networking, because in this modern era, technology is always have a new, and then I must learn networking more than before. And then, which I studied at ISMK IDN, I am currently striving to achieve success in the future by seriously working on this. Then these little things of my portfolio is I when I explain when I teaching. I've been already teaching for 5 times. Is it 4 times in 10th grade and 1 times in 11th grade. The first picture is me with my friend in my team, me, Fadlan, Lutfi, and Brian when we was teaching in SMA 10 Jakarta. Is it I learn and I teaching about MikroTik and TCNA, a basic MikroTik configuration at there. That's my experience when I teaching to a people who stranger and I don't know the name. That's for make me feel like so nervous in the first time because is it many people I didn't know and still new for know the people. Then the second time, the second picture is it me with my team Emre, Lutfigan, and Kamil. That us when I was teaching with in a far place. Is it in Pekalongan? And I teach in vocational high school Bodeh. That I teach about Seng, MTCNA, and MTCRA, but not the basic. Is it the beginning? And then the third picture is it me with my team, Alvin, Brian, and Alwi when we teach in Fajri. That we teach just basic MTCNA because the trouble, so many trouble there. Then the fourth picture is it me when I teach with other people except in this class. Is it Valen from RPL, Sifan from PL, and then Fire from PL, and then Akbar from the KV, and then we combined the networking, and then coding, and then design in one school. It is vocational school Muhammadiyah too. Then we teach about something that can make a big benefit in this era. And then for my last picture, is me when I teach with Zubair, Fadlan, and Alvin. With me when I teach in vocational high school 26 at Jakarta, and we teach about MTSN again, and then yeah, that's the big experience because at that school is the students many from the school before I teach. Then the second slide is it my projects, is it my books. The first book is MTSNA, is it talk about a basic MTSNA until intermediate MTSNA, and then I try it again. And the MTSRA is that there is explain a basic in networking about maybe wireless, security, database, cloud, and hardware. And then the book is it teach me how to make a good book a good book for my next book. Then for the next page, is it my second book? Is it that the Network Diaries? Is it CCNA for Digital Hustlers? Is it teach about basic CCNA or Cisco? Is it a certificate? Is Cisco Certification Network Associate? Is it teach about a basic CCNA until a high configuration in CCNA? And then the third picture is this CCNP. CCNP is improve with CCNP exploitation, network networking with a computer with a modern computer. Is it intermediate from my last book is CCNA because CCNP is a hard material in networking, and I do a hard more than before for make this book because I must understood the book, the meaning of that book. And then for my last book at 11, I still make it in this semester, is connected and secure. Is it a book for me or for a people who want to learn about a security? Is it for my maybe my this book is just because I want to learn again about tunnel and security. Maybe I interest to security, cyber security, and I want to learn again for make this book. And then the third slide is it my certificate. For the first is Mycotic Certificate Network Associate. Is it a basic networking certification that tell about basic configuration, basic routing, and basic switching. Then the second is MTSRA or Mycotic Certificate Network Engineer. That the book is that talk about mid-level after MTCNA. Is it I'm at this certificate I've been get 90 point at there, then that so make me happy because it's a first time for me get a big point at the certificate. And then the third certificate is CCNA, Cisco Certification Network Associate. Is it export certificate for people who want get a more learn about a Cisco, and then at that certificate I do a configuration. I answer many question at there. It so make me nervous because if I cannot, if I failed at the certification, it's I must learn again because the certificate is so important for the basic student or basic networking. And then the last slide is it a little bit of my experience at SMK ID and boarding school. Is it in the mid of the picture? Is it me with my friend when we were join um, some seminar at the Pacific Place? Is it the seminar is AWS? Is it me? Did the second time when me with my friend joining little seminar, the AWS, before we already go to the first seminar at there. Is it AWS 2, but the place in UE or Indonesian University in Depok, and at there it just teach it's just a booth in the UE. Is it a booth of maybe penthouse, and then many booth at there. I forget the name. Just now a penthouse. Is it there is teach about networking, and then me and my friend make a vlog video about that, and then ask to the people, ask to the other people from except this country. Is it from there is from Indian, and then from Canada. We ask about networking. We ask about what did he buy in this event, and then after that we learn again a little things about a coding at the first AWS place in UE, and then a little things again about coding, a little things again about design, and that's give us a big experience for the first grader at 10th grader, because this is the first my experience when I join a big event. And then this is me for my friend join the second event AWS again in the Pacific Place. The event is in here is big more than before, because in here there's a big ballroom just teach us about AWS clouding, and then security, and then many booth at there, and then many other people from this country joining the event. And then me with my friend make a 30 minutes vlog that talk about our experience when we are joining the event. And then the picture between the AWS picture is it me when I make some little topology about networking. And then that's my big experience for make that topology, because I must troubleshooting and do anything about there. Maybe that's all for me. Just get in touch with me, my email, LinkedIn for me, my Instagram. Thank you for your listening, your attention. Let's we say thanks, and then Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.